Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video on Master Lock's combination series, the Master Lock 175. In the event that you were to ever forget your 4-digit combination for this little bugger, don't worry, Master Lock's got you covered. All you have to do is get a standard feeler pick with a thin blade and put it in between the second and the third wheel at the top on the left side, like so. Depress the shackle and press down on your pick. And like magic, the lock opens up. Don't be a dumbass and break the law. Have a good day.